Hello all, welcome to How to Draw Step by Step. Have you ever wondered why your drawings don't look like the real object even when you try your best? The problem may not be your drawing skills, it might be how you are looking. Today, I'll show you one simple technique that can instantly improve your observation, that is, negative space. What is negative space? When we look at an object, our brain immediately recognizes it. We think that is a chair, that is a cup, or that is a flower. But artists train themselves to see something different. The object itself is called positive space. The empty space around and between the object is called negative space. Instead of drawing the object, we draw the shapes of the empty spaces. Our brain loves symbols. When we hear scissors, we draw the scissors we think we know. That is why proportions often become inaccurate. Negative space tricks the brain into observing carefully instead of guessing. It helps us notice angles, distances, and shapes more accurately. Now I am drawing these scissors. Can you see the empty shapes inside and around the scissors? While drawing, I am not thinking about drawing scissors. I am only drawing that those empty shapes inside and around the scissors. When all these shapes come together, scissors appear naturally. That is why artists say, draw what you see, not what you think you see. So let us use the same technique, negative space, with a pair of glasses. At first glance, you might think you are drawing the glasses. But instead of focusing on the object, pay attention to the empty spaces. Look at the two openings inside the frames, the small gap between the lenses, and the spaces around the glasses. These are the negative spaces. Negative shapes. Draw these shapes carefully and the glasses will begin to appear naturally. This helps train your eyes to observe accurately instead of drawing from memory. Every object has both positive shapes, the object itself, and negative shapes, the spaces around the object and within the object. Today we learned negative space drawing with scissors and glasses. I hope you understood the concept. If this lesson helped you see drawing in a new way, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone learning to draw. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep observing, keep practicing and keep creating. Thanks for watching.